Before we get started with this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this one. Hi everyone and welcome back again. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about the months of the year, which in Portuguese is os meses do ano. Os meses do ano. So let's start. How do we say January in Portuguese? The way to say January in Portuguese is janeiro. Janeiro. February in Portuguese is fevereiro. Fevereiro. Now let's try to say March. The way to say March in Portuguese is março. Março. And if you want to say the next month, April, April. Abril, abril. What about May? May in Portuguese is maio. Maio. Let's say it again. Maio. And if you want to say June, June in Portuguese is junho. Junho. July. Julho. Julho. August. Agosto. Agosto. What about September? September in Portuguese is setembro. Setembro. And if you want to say October, October in Portuguese is outubro. Outubro. November. November in Portuguese is novembro. Novembro. And how do we say the last month of the year? The way to say December in Portuguese is dicembro. Dicembro. And that was all. See you in the next class. Obrigada e adeus. If you want to purchase the full version of this class, you can click on the link in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video.